Me and say, oh, and then ooh, oh, hey,
the original, traditional, food.
So guys, we are about to prepare TZ, and so at this point, mommy, what is this?
Tuo Zaafi.
Tuo Zaafi.
I try.
Tuo Zaafi. So we are preparing Tuo Zaafi, short form of TZ. When you hear TZ or Tuo Zaafi, this is what we are talking about. And mommy, start ben I prepare. Okay.
Ye shase wi na enya abotre kakra.
Okay.
Enso ni wura na ye fa we ni agos.
Enti ebro na mode ya na say
Pacho ebro na no ebro na ye.
So basically with the Tuo Zaafi they use only corn flour. Mind it's not corn dough, corn flour. So they mix the corn flour with the water. I mean, you are going to see the whole process of preparing it. So let's enjoy the whole vibe. Mommy, can I stay? Meet me.
Oh, but
yeah, understand.
What can I say?
Hey, try. Hey, mommy.
Over to my say.
Okay, hey. Hey. Hey, mommy. It's pouring, no. Kakra. Am I doing it right? Okay. Hey, mommy, I'm pouring it.
What yeah, kakra.
Okay.
Yene
boko. But I didn't know say.
We sanya. Maybe na one say big
okay.
We sanya soft.
A be soft.
Pacha.
And from here no then e be ye biom.
E be fa e brono aka benchinu. Na e afra ansana e kan.
Oh, okay. So guys, we are preparing Tuo Zaafi like I said, and at this point we have to stir it so that you don't see any lumps in it. Everything will come out smoothly. Mommy, this is a lot of fire, eh? Your friend is saying, a job break.
Oh yes, sir.
But oh, okay. So if it's not cooked well, your stomach will pain you when you eat it. Mommy, your friend is saying.
A friend is
Sadatu, okay. And see how your friend has saying.
Fatal basket, I just have to complex. I just have to complex. Fatal basket.
And then the restaurant in the
I just have to complex. Fatal basket. Sana fry.
And she said, Baha, the Benya best Tuo Zaafi.
Pacho mubenya.
Best Tuo Zaafi.
Papa.
Best Tuo Zaafi.
Any where dry okro, ayoyo, bra. Then
they have bra.
And so any ayoyo ne come.
Okay. And see, at this point too, I say, you better call. I came, everybody, I mean, you can see it right now. When we got here, everybody has been very happy working here. Everyone is doing their own job, like coming to work, working with pride, working with love, and you can see it. When you have love attached to food, it makes the food very delicious, very, very nice. And that is what Fatal Bicycle does here. Hajia Saratu. Hey, Charlie, names here are not easy. Hajia Saratu complex. Saudatu. Okay, so please turn and watch the camera. There's a camera there. Say, Then say it for them. Everybody is watching right now. Say it. Ajia Sarah.
The original. Traditional. Food.
Hey! Coco. We are sure that we are okay, so let's go back.
Yeah,
So this is the corn flour that is used for the TZ. And what you have to do is mix this with water into a porridge form, put it on the fire, boil for a while. After that, you take it from the fire, mix it with a porridge, and at the end of the day, it becomes TZ. So, mommy, sisi anu, aha, you bet my friend TZ and do TZ.
And do TZ, where can I TZ?
Okay, so at this point, the porridge stage is not consumed. It's not called TZ. It's called, we just call it porridge. But once you mix the corn flour with it, it becomes TZ. Mommy, say TZ.
TZ.
TZ. Look at the camera and say TZ.
TZ ni ayoyo.
TZ ni ayoyo.
Dry okra soup, the brass soup.
Hold on. I need to put this down. Hey. Okay. TZ ayoyo soup.
Dry okra soup. The brass soup.
And then what else?
No, this rice balls, benku soup.
Okay.
TZ ayoyo. Dry okra.
Brass soup.
Kuka is there.
Kuka. Which one is the kuka? My friend kuka.
This TZ soup. Kuka. Dry okra, ayoyo.
Oh, okay. So guys, if you have ever tasted TZ before, what is the soup that you've used to eat it? Because she has mentioned 4 different types of soup. And
kuka,
dry okra,
ayoyo soup,
the brass soup. But what about palm soup?
Is there?
But can you eat TZ with palm soup?
No.
You can't eat it with palm soup.
It's
for rice balls.
Rice balls.
Okay. And then granule soup. Banku. Okay. All right. So you
Any fresh okra.
Yes. Okay, guys. So we have to wait a little bit for us to mix the whole TZ. The porridge and then the corn flour to have our TZ. So let's enjoy the whole waiting period. All right. Okay, so after stirring the porridge, then we add the corn flour to the whole mixture and then we start mixing. And you see the energy she is using in mixing, bam. Right now I cannot mix this because this requires like extra attention. You have to be extra careful, and that is why I am not doing this particular episode here. But like I'm still here to observe, I'm still here to learn, so let's go, let's see what's happening. Mommy, okay. So guys, I'm going to do it. I thought it was going to be difficult, but like I'm going to. Like the skills that she is using. Just add here. Like this requires a lot of energy. Like look at what she is doing. Appreciate our African mothers. This is what makes the food really delicious. See how she is staring from left to right, from right to left. Come on. Wow. This is food with passion. Oh, it's my turn, guys. Come. Hey, Janao. Okay, so.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, wait. I don't.
Wait to me. What say we shall say?
Hey! I've been hired already. Okay, hey! Hey! Bring me water. Mommy. Hey. These are some of the things that we don't see, but it's happening behind the scene. They sit here all the time preparing this food from morning to evening, and they have to do this for like, mommy, and in a day, how many times can you cook this? 4 times?
Yes.
So you do this 4 times?
4 times.
Or 5 times, girl, sometimes?
So Sunday to Friday, 5 times.
5 times?
Yes.
Wow. And one day, what's the name here?
A day, yeah, 4. Friday, 5.
5.
Sunday, 5.
Hey!
1, 1, 1, 1, 5.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Wow. This is a lot of work. So it is ready. It is time for us to take it off the fire. So get ready. And see, remember you. Hey, skills, guys. You woo woo woo. It's ready to be taken off the fire, so let's go. Hey, she will be carrying this off the fire with her friend, but they are telling me that I don't have the strength to do this. Wow. I thought my Jimmy was something, but today they've condemned my whole Jimmy. Wow. Okay, so let's see the whole uplifting from the fire process. And meet me here. Hey, so
okay.
Me who I do? Mommy, who block it? So, guys, come. So TZ is ready. This is TZ when it is ready, and go through to get this whole wide food ready, and we're about to serve it for us to take it outside for sale, because this is more like a restaurant vibe. Look at the camera and say TZ. TZ. Ah, the best. Local food, the best, you know. So it's time for us to serve the food. We are going to take it from the pot to the serving tray. So, until where I say 3 cities. Bet my kita. Me understand.
Say yeah, you are.
Yes, you.
She said, yes. You understand? What the kita say? You understand?
Okay. Hey, okay. Okay. Ooh, it's time to package it. They are teaching me. Me and say, oh. And then ooh. Oh. Hey. So to have the TZ, you don't have to make it very tight. You go like this, you know, and then when it's at this point, you pull, and then neat. You know, I know how to do the job, eh? Ah. So it has been amazing doing the TZ episode. If you've ever tasted TZ before, leave a comment in the comment section below where you did your TZ, where you got your TZ from, and what do you think about TZ? Which soup did you take your TZ with? Was it the ayoyo soup? Was it the brass soup? And then the dry okra soup? So thank you so much for watching this episode. Before I leave, everyone say bye. Bye.